Are you thinking of buying Profirm Challenge? Should you really go for Profirm Challenge? Is it really worth paying for Profirm Challenge to get funded? Or is it just a trap designed to take your money? That's exactly what we are going to discuss in today's video. There are so many influencers on the YouTube, Instagram, they are talking about Profirm Challenges. They are promoting Profirm Challenges to get funded, but nobody really is talking about the risk that comes with the Profirm Challenges, the reality of Profirm Challenges. So what I'm about to share today might save you from making costly mistakes. So first thing I want to talk about the dream versus reality, right? Because as a retail forex trader, I understand every retail trader want to trade with bigger capital. And what else better can be if you are trading with the bigger capital, but that is not your own funds, right? That is not your own money. Without risking your own money, you can trade with bigger capital, and probably if you make money out of that, that's the dream of a retail forex trader. And I understand that. I get that feeling that retail trader get the kind of opportunity that retail forex traders are looking for, right? So here is the thing. Prop firms sell big size simulated accounts, right? And if you pass their challenge, they give you the simulated account to trade on. And if you make profit out of that simulated account, they give you payout. But here is the reality. All the retail forex traders who are paying for Profirm challenges, they have been sold on the idea that we will fund you, right, if you pass our challenge. But when we talk about fund, we will fund you, what that means is they are not giving you the real capital. They are giving you simulated accounts. At the evaluation phase, they give you the simulated account, and even if you pass the challenge, you will get the simulated account. You are not getting real capital to trade, right? And before even you get to the funded phase, the challenge is that you need to pass their challenge. But the rules that they have created, right, they have designed those rules in such a way that you will end up paying challenges after challenge, because it's really difficult for traders to pass the Profirm challenge, because majority of traders, they don't have the strategy, they don't have the risk management, they don't have the right psychology, they don't have trading rules. All they want is they want to get funded, right? Or what they want is, because they have already lost a lot of money on their personal account, right? And through the Profirm challenges, what they want to do is they want to get funded so that they can get the bigger payout and they can get out of their debt or get out of their losses that they have made on their personal account. But since these rules are designed in such a way, plus the traders don't have the psychology and the rules and the strategy, right? Because of that, what happened is they just keep losing. They keep losing challenges after challenges. And even if you get the payout, even let's say, for example, let's just assume that if you pass the challenge, if you get the payout, right, for the first or second time, you get the payout, right? But as you become consistent and you continuously withdraw the money from the prop firm, right, they are going to ban you. The reason is because you are not the asset to the prop firm. Because the prop firm, the account that they provide you, that is not real capital. That's a simulated account. That is a demo account, to be specific, right? Those are demo accounts, and you are just trading on demo and you are getting paid for that. And the way you are getting paid is the retail traders who are losing the challenges, right? So the retail forex traders who are losing challenges, they are the revenue source of income for the prop firms, and the profitable traders who are getting payout are the one who are the liability for the prop firm. So what happens is, as you become profitable trader, the prop firm ban you, right? They restrict you, they give you all different reasons, and they deny your payout. And that is the reality, right? Because how can someone pay you for your profitability on the demo account where your orders are not being executed in the real market? And how can someone pay you for the payout? I mean, do you have demo account, and can you just withdraw that money into your account? Certainly you cannot, right? So this is the reality of the prop firm. They don't provide real capital. There are traders out there who says that as long as I'm getting paid, I should not have any problem with the prop firm. But that is not why we paid for the prop firm, because we wanted to get funded with the real capital. And the way retail traders are being paid are from the traders who have lost their challenges, and from that money the traders who make money are being paid out, right? So this is the reality of the profit. Now, second thing that I'm going to talk about is the cycle of frustration, right? Because believe it or not, more than 95% or even more than 99% of traders who opt for prop firm challenges, they fail, right? They fail challenges after challenges. Now, once you pass the challenge, you ask for the payout, but there are chances that the prop firm is going to ban you, right? Even if you break a minor rule, they are going to ban you, because once you break the rule and they ban you because they are not going to give you payout, and then what's going to happen? You're going to attempt for another challenge, you're going to pay for another challenge. So just imagine how frustrating it is, right? You try to pass the challenge multiple times. I mean, probably at least 4 to 5 times you might have paid for the challenges, right? And after that, you pass the challenge, you made the profit, but for some reason, right? Maybe they have listed their rules, maybe they have not, right? In some of the scenarios, it has happened that the rules were not mentioned and the traders were banned for the payout for different reasons. I mean, there are so many reasons. You can just Google it, you can find for, on the YouTube or anywhere, or maybe I'll create another video in upcoming weeks or so. So they ban you because of minor rule violation. All right. Now, the another thing is when you become consistent profitable trader, the prop firm delay your payout or they restrict you from the payout. Why? Because you are the liability, right? As I said before, you are the liability. You are not the revenue for the prop firm, because the revenue is the traders who are losing the challenges and you are continuously taking payouts. So you are just a liability, you are just a loss for the prop firm. And that's why what they do is they delay your payouts, or maybe they restrict you from payout, right? And once you are banned or you are restricted from the prop firm, what's going to happen? You might have got the payout, you might not have got the payout, you may have the capital, you may not have the capital, but again, what's going to happen? You will look for another prop firm, you will look for another prop firm challenge. But the story continues, the cycle continues, because all the prop firms, they don't provide real capital and they are living on the retail traders who are failing the challenge, and the story goes on. And if you make the money, they will ban you, right? So that is the reality, and this is this cycle of frustration that every prop firm trader goes through, because they are hoping that they are living in the hope that there will be a prop firm who will provide a real capital, who will pay them for being profitable, right? Not they will ban you for being profitable, right? And even for smallest violation or smallest rule, right? And they ban you because and that's really frustrating, right? And the story goes on. I mean, this happens over and over again. There are so many traders out there who are trying to pass prop firm challenges, still they are not profitable, still they are losing challenges after challenges. There are some traders who have passed their challenges and they have lost their accounts for being profitable, or the prop firm have created some another rule out of nowhere and they said that you have violated this rule, and their payout has been delayed or denied, or they have been restricted from the prop firms. And this thing is happening over and over again because there are so many prop firms coming out every day, right? Now, the third question is who really profits, right? Because when the prop firm says that we will fund you if you are a profitable trader, we will fund you if you prove that you pass our challenge and you prove that you are a profitable trader, right? So what happens is prop firms are profiting from the fees that you pay for the challenges, right? You are getting a demo account, right? They have created the rules. If you have passed the challenges, you will get funded, right? Provided you pass the challenge, right? So prop firm makes money when you lose challenge, right? When retail traders lose their challenges and they are paying for their challenge, right? You may be paying $100, $200, $500, $800, $1,000, $2,500, $2,000, and there are n number of funded accounts, right, that you are paying for. So the prop firm profit from the traders who are losing this challenge, right? And even less than 5% or even less than 1 or 2%, somewhere I read on the article, it says 0.28% of traders pass the Profum challenge, and even out of that, only fraction of Forex traders remain profitable trader. And even out of that, many traders are getting banned from being profitable trader, right? So in either of the scenario, whether you are a profitable trader or whether you're still trying to pass for the challenge, you are losing money, right? None of retail traders are making money, right? Some traders are making, but they are fraction of retail traders who are making money, and even they are getting banned. They are being restricted from the prop firm. So the only people who are making money is prop firm, right? The fees that you pay for, and from that fees that you pay, they are being profited. So if you lose the challenge, you are the revenue of the prop firm, right? They are making money out of you. You are not making money out of them, and only prop firms are making money, not retail Forex traders. Now, I want to share an experience of some retail traders who have tried for Profum challenges and the people who have passed the Profum challenges, right? So for example, I'm not gonna take a name of the trader, but let's just call it X, right? A talented trader called X, right? He passed the challenge, right? He passed the challenge, and I think he took payout of $10,000 and $15,000, right? Twice, right? But as the prop firm seen that this guy is making a lot of money from the prop firm, right? And he is profitable trader, what they did is they banned him, right? They denied his payout, right? He was trading with proper trading strategy, and he was not doing any malpractice or something, right? He was trading with consistency, with proper risk management, and he was making money out of it. And the thing is, his risk to reward ratio was really nice, and because of that, he was making money. But right when he requested for the third payout, just remember, when he requested for the third payout, he got an email that we cannot pay you for this payout, because we have observed that you are not following the rules of trading, and you are following some marginal trading strategy or XYZ so and so reason, right? We see that your trading strategy is not appropriate, and you are not following the right practice to trade, and because of that, we cannot provide you the payout. This is what the response he got when he asked for the third payout, right? Just imagine when you are trading with discipline, with devotion, and when you are trading with a lot of dedication, right? And all of a sudden they tell you that we cannot give you the payout because you are not following the rules, despite you have followed the rules, and still you are getting banned. You are not getting payout. So just imagine how painful it is and how gut-wrenching it is when you put your blood and sweat into it to make profitable trade. You stayed up, you spent your whole day in front of your screen and to make profitable trading decision and become profitable trader, and you are not getting payout because you are profitable trader. Just imagine how sad it feels, right? And there will be a trader, there will be some people who will come to this video and they will say that I am getting paid XYZ blah blah blah. I don't care, right? Because you never know, I never know, right? Whether are they really getting payout or not? But there are traders out there who are getting banned for being profitable trader, and the people who are getting banned for being profitable trader, for them I have something by the end of this video. So just stay till the end of this video, right? And I'll share I'll show you what we can do about it. Right now, the question is it really worth paying for Profum challenges? Is it really worth it? Right? So the first thing is clear. The odds are heavily stacked against every retail trader. All the retail Forex traders who are trying to pass the Profum challenges, these odds are stacked against you. First thing, you need to accept that. That's the reality, right? And this whole system, their challenges, their rules, their hidden rules, everything is designed for retail traders to fail, so that the prop firm can make money from the retail traders who are losing the challenges, right? The fees that you pay for, from that they can keep making money, because that's the only source of income for them, right? They don't have real capital, they don't have a single penny, they don't have a real money in their account, they do not provide the real money, right? And because of that, they just make money out of your losses, right? The moment you lose, they make money. The moment you start making money, they start losing, right? So they have to create a rule in a such a way that you lose the challenge, right? So the business model of all of this prop firm is relying on you losing the challenge, right? And the more you lose, the more they make money. And it's like a casino, guys. It's like a casino, right? The casino are designed in a such a way that they make money when you lose, right? Only few people win, out of luck. And even, if you make money, they will make sure that you will never make money, or maybe you don't get out of their casino. That's what they want, and that's what they will do, right? So I believe the prop firms are, like a casino, and I don't think really, the prop firms are really here to help traders to get funded. They are just here to make money out of traders who are losing the challenge. So I don't think it's really worth trading with prop firm, and I don't advise anyone to trade with prop firms, right? So now the question is what you should do, right? Because your dream was to make money trading with prop firm so that they provide you funding, right? But they don't provide you the real capital, and their business relies on you failing the challenge, right? So what you should do. So first thing, what I would say, even if you're still looking, and I don't suggest or I don't recommend go for the prop firm challenges, but if you still think or want to go for prop firm challenges, then probably you should do do the proper research. That's what I can suggest you, right? Second is you look for the payout history and look for the genuine reviews. Are they paying the traders? Are they having any hidden rules, right? Do they provide real capital? The third thing is, that's you will never find the answer to this, right? Do they provide real capital? No, none of the prop firm provides real capital. Even if they say that we will copy your trade on our account, I don't get that. I don't believe that, right? If you want to provide a real capital, just provide the real capital on the live account. Just create all the rules and everything. Just design the system in a way that all the rules are being followed properly, right? Don't provide demo accounts to trader. If you say that you provide real capital to trade, then just provide the real capital, just provide the real account, that's it. But I'm sure they are not going to provide you with the real capital, right? And the fourth thing is that just go for the hidden rules, just look for the hidden rules, right? If they have created for hidden rules, you can go for Trustpilot, and you can look for the reviews where you will find some of good reviews or bad reviews about the prop firms. And maybe I'll create a forum where you can the retail traders who are with the prop firm, right, who are trading with the prop firm, probably they can share the rules, their hidden rules, and I can update it somewhere on the community where you can just go for it, and you can read through it, and you can get to know about it, right? So this is what we can do, right? If you want to know about the hidden rules of all the prop firms, right? So let me, you can just post in the comment, right? What are the prop firms you are looking for, and you are thinking that probably you can, or you are thinking of go for trading with prop firm, right? So maybe I'll try to provide some details about those prop firms and their rules, and probably maybe it will help you. Now, second suggestion that I tell every trader, that is, use your own capital. I'm not really kind of person who go for prop firm because I like to trade on my account with freedom, right? I don't want to be restricted with the rules, where you get, for certain things you get banned, or the rules get violated and you lose the account. I don't like those kind of things, right? So the first thing that I would say, invest in your personal trading account instead of going for challenges. Even if you have the smallest capital, right? If you trade it with the consistency, right? Maybe not 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, or maybe not 6 months, but after 6 months, if you consistently make money, if you consistently grow your account, you will make money. right? You will grow your account, and you can trade with your own capital. And even if you know don't make big money, but still you can withdraw that funds into your account. But if you lose the challenge, you are losing whole money, right? You are going to lose your whole money that you have invested with the prop firm, right? And they don't give you a chance to, you know, to reattempt for the challenge. Once you lose, you pay again, and story continues, right? So I would say, you know, use your own capital. You will grow your money slowly, but still it will be your capital. You can withdraw money whenever you want, wherever you want, and at least you will have your own capital, which cannot be taken away by anyone. But if you pass the prop firm challenges, there is no guarantee that prop firm will give you the payout. Also, they will give you the funded account, right? They will create some rules. They will tell you that you have broken this rule XYZ so and so, and then they will ban you, because the moment you become profitable trader, you are not on their side. That the prop firm is against you. You are a loss for the prop firm. They will try every way to ban you from the prop firms, right? Even if you ask for the reasons XYZ so and so, they're not going to respond to you. You are going to lose the capital. You are going to lose the payout. You are going to lose all the, you know, efforts you have put into passing the prop firm challenges and to get funded. Everything gonna be in a dustbin, right? It will be wasted. So this is what I have to say. You know, I would say just use your own capital and trade with your own capital, and just slowly grow your money, but be consistent, and you will become profitable trader, right? You will make money. So just trade with your own capital. That's what I have to say. Now, the third point, what you should do, right? This is the most important part, right? Where all the retail traders are not focusing on. All the retail traders, they are just focusing on, I need funds, I need bigger funds, I need bigger funds, I need big money to make money. I want money, I want money. That's it. This is what they want, right? But they are not really looking into investing in their skills, becoming a consistent trader, becoming a profitable trader, learning the skill, learning the price action, developing the psychology, right? Become consistent. In fact, not even skill, investing in their health, right? They are not even investing in their health, right? So, and if you genuinely want to make money out of Forex market or any financial market, I highly recommend that you improve your trading skill, right? If you improve your trading skill and risk management, you will become profitable trader, because money is not the problem. The lack of skill is the problem, because if you had the skill, you can grow the smaller account into bigger one. Because you don't believe, but I have the example, right? I have a Forex trader in my community who had started with $100 or $200 in 2021. Today, he has the capital of more than 30,000 US dollar, because he understood the skill is more important than the money, and he developed the skill, and then he became profitable trader. So money is not the problem. The problem here is you don't have the skill to grow the account. You don't have the patience to grow this small account. That is the problem. But if you have the skill and if you have the patience, you can grow your smaller account into bigger one, right? This is what I have to say. Now, number 3 is become a trader who can trade in any market condition. Why? Because if you have the skill, you can trade in any market condition, whether the market is going up, whether the market is going down. If you have the skill, you can trade in any market condition, right? Because once you have a skill, no one can take away that skill. But if you have a prop firm account, right, which is at the funded stage, and if you are continuously asking for the payout, prop firm has the authority that they will restrict you from the payout, right? And they will take away their capital. But if you have the skill, right, if you, instead of you investing that money into passing the prop firm challenge, if you invest that money into yourself, that skill cannot be taken away by anyone. So invest that money into yourself, learn the skill, go listen to the podcast, go listen to the audio books, read the books, buy courses, coaching program, or mentorship, whatever it is, you know, but invest that money into yourself. But at least you will gain some knowledge, you will gain some insight, you will get some idea that what you should be looking for, right? So invest that money into the skill, and no one can take away that skill from you. Because people can take away your money, people can take away your house, people can take away anything, your car, anything, but they cannot take away the skill that you have. So if you have the skill, you can build everything from the scratch. This is what I would say and suggest, that invest in the skill development. That's it. So now here's the most important thing. If you're a prop firm trader, right, you have taken payout and you have been restricted or you have been banned by the prop firms, then I recommend you to join the community, which is absolutely free. There are no hidden fees or anything. I want you guys to join that community, share your experience. What are your experience with the prop firms, right? Were you fell into trap? I mean, what kind of rules they have, right? What kind of hidden rules they have and how they restrict you from the payout. And share your experience with other prop firm traders so that they get to know about what is happening in the prop firms, right? Which prop firm is legit, which prop firm is not, right? So just join this community, and I have created a separate, different channel for different prop firms so that you can accordingly post your experience, and you can let other traders know about, what is your experience, what are the good prop firms, what are the bad prop firms. And at least because of this, other retail traders who might fall into trap, so they will know before, and you can save other traders from that, right? So join this trading community. I'll drop the link in the description for that Discord community, and just join it, right? I'll be more than happy to see you guys there and share your experience. And I mean, your advice or your feedback might save some other traders to fall into trap, right? So just be helpful. What goes around comes around. So just try to help other traders, and something good will come back to you, right? So with that thought, I have created this community. So please join this community and share your experience and let other traders know about it. So now the final thoughts about what are the key takeaway from this whole video. You need to focus on becoming a self-sufficient trader. You need to develop a skill, right? You have to become a trader who can trade in any market condition and who can become profitable trader. Just focus on becoming a self-sufficient trader. That's what my suggestion is. Second point is, don't rely on prop firm for success, because they are not providing you the real capital. They are not here to give you the funding. They are here to make money from you, right? You losing the challenge, right? And the third thing is the most important one. The best investment is in yourself, not a potentially broken system. The reason why I'm saying this prop firm is broken system is because they don't have the real capital. Even at the funded stage, they don't provide you the real capital, and that's why they don't make money. You don't make money, right? If you make money, they lose money, and then you don't get payout. And other retail traders who are failing the challenge, right, from that they are making money. I see this system is broken. If they really had the real capital, they will never have to really ban any forex traders, right? So don't rely on this prop firm. Do the investment in yourself. If you invest in yourself, you will make way more returns than this prop firm challenges. That's it from my side, right? Now, last thing is that what are your opinions? I want to know your opinions. If you are trading with prop firms, then how is it your experience? What's going on with your prop firm challenges? And are you consistently getting payouts from the prop firms? If yes, let us know in the comment that you are getting consistent payout from this prop firms, right? Or if you are a trader who is banned by the prop firm for being profitable trader, then also let us know in the comment. Join the Discord community, and I'll be more than happy to know about you. And your comment, your response, your opinion will save other retail traders. So that's it from my side. This is what I wanted to discuss about the prop firms. These are the thoughts of prop firm, right, that I had, and I wanted to share with all the retail traders out there, because I see a lot of people are being scammed. Many retail traders whose hard-earned money is being put into the prop firm challenges, and they are not getting payout. They are being banned. That is why I wanted to create this video. I hope you like this video. Please let us know your thoughts, your opinions in the comment. Until we meet again.